Hello everyone, this is your Sahu sir again in front of you with a new topic, and today we are going to discuss about the topic is called as marginal rate of substitution. Simply we used to call it as MRS. So this is the topic which we are going to discuss today, right? First of all, let us discuss the meaning. What is the meaning of a marginal rate of substitution? So let us see. It represents as how many commodities is substituted or sacrificed to increase other commodities or nothing but it is called it as a good, means how many goods has been sacrificed to increase the another good. In my previous video, I think you have been heard and you have watched out indifference curve analysis. In that indifference curve analysis, I have given the information that if one good to be increased, then another good has to be decreased. If one good has to be increased, then another good has to be decreased. Why I told you this information? Because this has to be done because they used to have the limited income or money. Limited income or money, isn't it? So one good has to be increased, then another good has to be decreased. But how many? How many goods has been sacrificed to increase the another good? That rate which we are calculating with the help of marginal rate of substitution, right? We will discuss the table as well as the diagram. We will discuss it, right? So how we will calculate how many goods is sacrificed to increase another good? So for that, under this MRS x y, we have a formula actually. So let us discuss the formula. MRSXY equals to, right, delta y by delta x. Okay, whereas delta y means change in y good. In the same way, delta x means change in x good. Okay, delta is nothing but change. So how many goods is being changed to increase the another good? That point which we are going to discuss here, right? So this can be explained with the help of table as well as the diagram. Let us take out the table. Okay, marginal rate of substitution related table we will discuss. Let us take out one short table for your understanding purpose. We will use one table. So here I will take the combinations. Here I will take the combinations, and here x good, and here y good, and next here we will take MRS of, okay, x for y. Okay, this is the points which has to be taken out into the table, right? So let me draw the lines. If you want to increase dairy milk, in the previous, did you remember the example? Yes, I have described in my video, previous video. You can watch that video. Okay, and I will given the link description. In the description I have given. Once please verify that. Okay, so if you want to increase the dairy milk, then you have to decrease the 5-star chocolate. If you want to increase the 5-star chocolate, then you have to decrease the. Yes, absolutely right. Dairy milk has to be decreased. But how many goods you have sacrificed? That we will discuss in this table. We will discuss clearly, so that you can understand it in a better way. Right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the combinations which we have already seen in the previous table. Just we have added MRS X for Y. That's it. The table is not a big different in the earlier table. Once you check out that indifference curve analysis in my previous video. So here X good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here Y good 15, 11, 8, 6, 5. Now it is clearly visible that, okay, how many of Y good is sacrificed to increase the 1 unit of X good. For example, here in one combination 1 and 15, two combination 2 and 11, right? So here in two combination 1 good X is increased. X is one good is increased from 1 to 2. How it has been increased? How it has been increased? Check out in the Y. When Y good is decreased from 5 to 11, my dear students, 5 to 11, when they have decreased, then only they have increased 1 unit of X good. In the same way, from 11 to 8, 11 units to 8 units of Y good is decreased to increase 1 unit of X good from 2 to 3. In the same way, 8 to 6, Y good is decreased to increase 3 to 4 of X good. 6 to 5, Y good is decreased so that they have increased the X good from 4 to 5. So how many goods is been decreased to increase another good, that we used to calculate under this marginal rate of substitution. So here, okay, so for X good, how many Y goods is decreased? First of all, MRS is equal to, in the previous, we have the formula na, delta Y by delta X. So what is the change of Y good? In the second combination, first directly we will write it, because we have to do the comparison. Na? So here at two combination, check out 15 to 11. How much change of Y good? How much change 15 to 11? It is nothing but 4 goods is changed. Na? The 4 goods is changed to increase from X good from 1 to 2. Increase the X good from 1 to 2. Means 1 good has been increased na? Where? In X good, right? So how many goods are substituted? Y good is been substituted for to increase 1 unit of X good. In the same way, remaining Y good from 11 to 8. What is the delta Y? What is the delta Y? When 3 goods is sacrificed, when 3 goods is substituted to increase 1 unit of X good from 2 to 3, right? So they have increased 1 unit now. So delta X 2 to 3, how many change? 1. Likewise, 8 to 6 means how many? 2 change in Y good and 1 unit in X good has been increased. In the same way, 1 is to 1, that is 6 to 5, 1 unit is sacrificed of Y good to increase the 1 unit of X good, right? So this is how we used to calculate the MRS. How we should pronounce here? 4 is to 1 is nothing but 4 units of Y good is sacrificed to increase 1 unit of X good. 3 units of Y good is sacrificed to increase 1 unit of X good. 2 units of Y good is sacrificed to increase 1 unit of X good. 1 unit of Y good is sacrificed to increase 1 unit of X good, right? So how much good is sacrificed, that we have calculated with the help of MRS. Okay, now everybody, right? In the same way, we can also go through with this kind of diagram with the help of this diagram. Also, we can explain it. Let us see. Let me put the heading diagram. So carefully watch the diagram. In the previous, I have told you the diagram here. Okay, now I'm taking directly the diagram here. Okay, so this is right x-axis and here y-axis. In the x-axis, what we have to do? In the x-axis, we have to take x good. In the y-axis, we will take y good. Remember the indifference curve in the previous already I have told you. What is the shape of indifference curve? Right? Remember, it's a convex shape which we used to call it. Right? So this is the indifference curve. Right? So now, if you see here, I have taken in between this gap is there. Okay, here I have taken some lines for your better understanding. Here I have taken some lines. Okay, right, carefully watch it. Here, what this has been mentioned, delta y. When we have decreased the y good, when we have decreased the y good 15 to 11, 4, 11 to 8, 8 to 6, 6 to 5, when we have decreased the y good, because in y axis it shows the y good na, so y good has been decreased so that delta x, because so that we have increased the x good. Did you understand here? Right. When we decrease the y good, we have increased the x good. Remember? Right. So without decreasing the y good, we cannot increase x good. Why? Because due to limited income, okay na, both goods cannot be increased. Both goods cannot be increased. One good has to be decreased. One good has to be decreased to increase another good. Right? So this is the diagram is been giving out such type of information. When delta y is decreased, so that delta x can be increased. Means y good is decreased to increase the x good. How many quantities? That information already we have been given out there. Okay now? So what is the shape of indifference curve? It is a convex shape, or we can also call it as rectangular hyperbola. Okay, shape of indifference curve. We can also call it as convex shape, or we can also call it as rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola also we can call it. Okay, it's a very short topic. I hope you have been understanding, right? So please give me the information in the comments whether you are able to understand or not, and any suggestions or query also please give it to me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your subscription is my encouragement, right? Wow, what a quotation, right? Please do remember this. Okay now, bye. Thank you so much for watching my video.